overnight oats right now. So I've got a half a cup of oatmeal in there. I do a half a cup of milk. Then I do a tablespoon of chia seeds. After that, I take one of these little Noosa yogurts, very delicious, and I put that in there. Make sure we get it all. And then in the morning, I'll cut up either some bananas, strawberries. I've got fresh raspberries from my garden that I'll put in this time. And then after that, I do a little bit of Mexican vanilla. And then just stir it all up. So we got a equal part oatmeal and milk, a tablespoon of chia seeds, some yogurt, Greek yogurt, whatever you like. And then in the morning, this will just thicken up and put your fresh fruit on it to sweeten it up. It's very good. All right, and yeah, you've got to cover it up before you put it in the fridge. So I just seal it in one of these containers.